Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, what you want to do is hold power key and the volume up simultaneously. So power key, volume up, start holding both of them at the same time. And once you see the Mi logo, we can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here we will use volume keys to navigate, so volume down to go down and up to go up. And power key will be used to select whatever we have selected, or to confirm basically whatever we have selected. So to progress, you want to select the wipe data, then wipe all data, and then confirm. I'll get a progress bar, which isn't really indicative of how far it has gone along. As you can see, it got to like 5% and data wipe complete. So all you need to do now is just press power key and power key once more and once more. And wait for the device to reboot. Now it will be rebooting a little bit longer than it normally takes, considering it's still continuing the process in the background. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.